Tonight, it's often the first question asked after an officer fires their gun. Is there video? But if there is, you often don't get to see it. Queen City News reporter Maureen Wirtz explains why we don't often see body camera video in police shootings across the Carolinas.
It's something that's too often on the screen. Crime scene tape, police cars.
They took my son. He murdered him. He shot him in cold blood.
But what's often not seen,
It's very difficult to get videos here in this state,
is the body camera footage or dash camera footage of how everything went down.
I appreciate the process, but the process is flawed.
Robert Dawkins with Action NC has been to court in North Carolina a handful of times.
It gives them the room then to negotiate. You said either as opposed to or.
Always making the complicated and very specific request to see what police see.
There shouldn't be this burden for the people that we pay to keep us safe to see their video.
It's all about video. As members of the media, we are often placed in an area away from any crime scene, but to get any video of what happened, whether it's from a body camera or a dash camera, takes lawyers.
We're with Queen City News, right down the street from you here in Charlotte.
Okay, you aren't represented by a lawyer?
No, sir.
That's interesting.
Time.
I'm a lawyer, I'm not a dentist, right? I'm a judge. I don't try to do my own dental work.
And money.
Our point is there is no right to anonymity if you're a police officer.
North Carolina officials passed a law back in 2016 that set a statewide standard that any body camera footage from a police officer had to be released by a judge, not a police department.
That is a matter for the court. It's evidence. Evidence has always been a matter for the court, and it should always be a matter for the court.
State House Representative Alan McNeil helped create the North Carolina law.
I don't think the law shields anything. Body camera footage is body camera footage, and it's going to be there unless somebody destroys it.
It's a little easier across the border in South Carolina, where you can file a request and get dash camera footage. But under no circumstances is body camera footage available unless the recording party chooses to release it.
So the police car we pay for, the uniform we pay for, the badge we pay for, the video that's collected is paid for. So that should be in the public domain.
But Robert says police are public servants, paid for by public dollars. So it should all be public.
Should be, but Maureen, you've been digging into this all day, and it's pretty complicated, isn't it?
Yeah, Brian. Well, it's important to note that in North Carolina specifically, if someone is a family member or if they're representing a person who'd been shot, they can view the video. That's okay, but they can't release it to the public.
Can't release it to the public. And one of the things that we saw in the video there was right here on Queen City News is that when you behind the scenes look at trying to get some dash cam video of Madison Cawthorn, which we've seen at Queen City News, but that wasn't an easy process either.
No, Brian, there were 3 videos at Queen City News that we were trying to get a hold of, and in all of those cases, we had to pay $200 for the fee. You had to then go set a court date and then go in front of a judge. But even in one incident in Cleveland County, which is kind of what you saw here, they had to go back several times to try and get that video and eventually get a lawyer. So it's just complicated. And that's what critics of it say. It's expensive and it takes time and lots of money.
And lots of money, but also it takes laws to change those type of things as well, as we've seen. All right.